Dear friends, welcome to RPA Tutorials. In this video, we will cover the screen recorder and a demonstration of how to use it. At the time this video is created, the latest version of Automation Anywhere client is 10.7. Screen recorder is the simplest of the 4 task recording options available in Automation Anywhere client. Since it is the simplest, it is also the least powerful of the lot. Screen recorder captures any kind of mouse movements, mouse clicks and keyboard operations performed during recording. As you can guess, it hard-codes the entire activity and hence tasks recorded through screen recorder are much more prone to failure when compared to tasks recorded through other recorders. Thus, it should be only used when the need is to automate tasks that run on static screens or simple desktop or web applications. Since it hard-codes everything, the operating system and screen resolution during runtime needs to be exactly same as what was used during recording of the task. Let us now have a look at the demonstration of screen recorder.
Welcome to demonstration of screen recorder. For the purpose of this demo, we will automate a simple task in which we will open Notepad, type in some text and then save the file on desktop. Now to open screen recorder, either click on new and select screen recorder from the pop-up box that opens up, or you can directly click on record, but make sure that screen recorder is selected in the drop down next to the record button. Once we click on record, screen recording will start. As you can see on the bottom right corner of the screen, the recording has started. Now any mouse movements, mouse clicks or keyboard operations, any kind of keystrokes will be captured in the screen recorder. So let me just move this mouse from left side of the screen to right side of the screen and we'll show you how it gets captured later. I'll press keys Windows and R on my keyboard to open the run command prompt. I'll type Notepad in this and press enter to open the Notepad application. I'll then type in some text. Let it be hello world 1 full stop. I'll press Ctrl S on my keyboard to save the file and then select the name of the file as demo, press enter, and it's saved on the desktop as you can see there. Now I'll move my mouse again to stop the recording. Now it asks for our task name. Let us name it screen recording demo. We'll click on save. And there you go, the task is saved. But before running the task, let's see what all have been captured in the task editor. Now if you recall, at the beginning of recording I had moved my mouse from left side of the screen to right side of the screen. That gets captured as the mouse move. Similarly, towards the end I move my mouse to stop the recording. All the other operations that I did in between those mouse movements were keystrokes. So you can see I pressed down the Windows key that is represented here by Win down. Then I pressed R and then I pressed Win up. So I released, essentially I released the Windows key. So that is represented here as Win up. Similarly, when I typed hello world, I wanted to make H and W capitals. So I had pressed down Shift, typed in H and then release Shift. For each of these keystroke actions, they've also captured the delays in it. So if I'm taking a lot of time in typing say hello world, it will capture the amount of time that I've taken in the delay. So we can, for the purpose of this demo, we can remove these mouse movement as these were unnecessary actions. So to remove these, right click on them and click on delete. So I've removed the first mouse movement here. Now removing the second one. There you go. Save the task. Now when we'll run the task, this task will again create a new notepad file with text hello world 1 and try to save it with the same name. Now this will throw an error because there is already a file with the same name existing on desktop. So we'll change the name of the file to demo2. So how to do it? Right click on this, click on edit, and in keystrokes change this from demo to demo2. This is where you can change the delay. So if you want to increase or decrease the delay, if you want to stay on that particular screen for more time or less time, you can set it here. Click on save and then save the task. I'll close the notepad which is already open so that there is no anomaly when we're running the task, and then I'll run the task. As you can see, the task is loading. It's going through each line. The first line is to open the run command prompt. It opens, it types in notepad with the delay at the speed which I typed in during recording. Now it's typing hello world in notepad. Then we'll press Ctrl S to save the file, and this time it should save it by the name demo2. There you go, and the task is ended. Now I'll go to the desktop and you can see the two files here, demo and demo2 created.
This brings us to the end of this video. If you like our videos, subscribe to our channel below, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and connect with us on LinkedIn. Links in description below.